fully renovated and family ready. This property is close to public transport and could be your downsizing dream come true. The property is single-level style with 3 bedrooms, and it features dedicated parking for 1 vehicle. The kitchen has crisp white cabinets and quality fittings. This property is cooled and heated with reverse cycle air, and it also has private outdoor spaces. It has a dedicated patio space, as well as plantation shutters in key rooms. Add to that high-quality fittings and fixtures. Looking for a new start in life? Perfect for buyers wanting peace and relaxation. Make an appointment to view. Call now.